Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down market news with clarity, not complexity. I'm Emily, your data safety and compliance expert, here to make sure charts don't get mistaken for cosmic predictions.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and stock watcher, who thinks stocks up sounds like a great start to a Monday. If shares go up, I go ooh.
Today's episode is titled Netweb Jumps 7% in a Day. What's driving it? Shares of Netweb Technologies have jumped significantly, up 7% in a single session and as much as 17% over 3 sessions.
That's right. For context, that's a strong move in a short span. Investors were clearly excited, but what triggered the surge?
According to reports, the buzz is tied to strong financial performance and optimism around business expansion. Netweb's recent earnings showed growth and improved margins, which can attract buyers.
And tech investors like momentum. If a company shows strong numbers and promising direction, they jump in, which pushes prices even higher. In other words, good news attracts more good news.
From a compliance angle, there's nothing speculative or unusual reported here, just solid earnings, strengthened guidance, and investor confidence. That's a more sustainable type of rally than hype-driven spikes.
Investors also seem encouraged by the company's positioning in infrastructure and data solutions. As businesses expand their digital footprint, demand for reliable IT services like those Netweb provides tends to rise.
In simpler terms, if more companies need data infrastructure and Netweb is supplying it profitably, investors see growth potential. That's why the shares got a boost.
Of course, markets can be unpredictable, and past performance doesn't guarantee future returns. But this jump reflects real confidence based on results.
My takeaway is this: solid performance backed by tangible growth drivers tends to attract stable investor interest, not just short-term traders.
And mine is, when tech companies expand into essential infrastructure sectors, markets often respond positively, especially when numbers back the story.
That's all for this episode of Pente Spotlight. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps others discover the show.
Thanks for listening. We'll catch you next time with more clear insights from markets and tech.